Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a Zilch card in store in 2026. Now, in order to do it, first of all, you need to open your Zilch application on your phone. So when you open the application, it is going to look something like this. Over here, you just have to select the option of In-Store tab on the top right hand corner of the screen. After doing so, you just have to search for your store. Now, when you search for the store, you just have to choose how do you want to pay. So when you have selected the option of how do you want to pay, whether you want to pay now or pay over 6 months or pay over 3 months, you just have to simply select any of these options and press next. Now on the next page, you just have to simply enable your card. So you will be shown this type of enable card option here in the bottom. So you just have to enable this card and hold your device to the card reader, and you might need to unlock your phone, enter the PIN or Face ID in order to unlock your digital wallet before you make the payment. So over here what it is saying is that you need to first of all add your Zilch card to your Apple Wallet or the Google Wallet, because Zilch in-store payments normally work through the phone's contactless wallets rather than the physical card swipe. So after doing so, at the checkout, you just have to unlock your phone, open Apple Pay or Google Wallet, then select your Zilch card and then tap the phone on the payment terminal normally. Once approved, the purchase appears inside the Zilch application almost instantly. So that's how you can basically use it in store. Thank you.